When the lights go out, a whole new world emerges in the dark. What's out there? Do you want to know?
A few weeks ago, Frida from the GardePro team contacted me and asked if I'd be interested in trying out their trail camera system. Her instructions were simple. She just wanted me to test it out and see what I thought. And if I wanted to, I could share it with you. I like that. No pressure, no expectations, confidence in their product. I've used trail cameras before in my videos, and I really like the way they give you a nighttime perspective of the trail. The things I didn't like was they were grainy and not very good video quality, and you never knew what you really had captured until you got home and put it on the computer and find out. But this is an entirely different experience. This is the GardePro Link 3000. You can simultaneously link an array of up to 16 cameras to the central hub, and you can transmit all of that over the internet. You can look on your phone and get photos and videos in real time and know exactly what you're getting in the field. This is 4K video, high resolution photos. We're going to look at it, see what's all in this system, and then I'm going to take it out to the field on my next adventure and test it out there, and I'll share that test with you as well. Let me show you what we got, and I'll talk to you more about the specifications of the GardePro Link 3000.
So I can share more about the GardePro Link 3000. This is the trail camera system that I've been talking about. It is an amazing product. Let me show it to you. This is the camera itself. Has the optic lens, and then it has these sensors that will sense movement as it comes by and turn the camera on in order to capture what's going on the trail at night. This camera is powered by this lithium-ion battery. It pops into the camera right here like this. After that, you just turn on the on-off switch and the camera will power up. You can go through the menu and set it up. This camera takes high-def color photos and 4K videos. Cameras that I've used in the past required AA batteries. These things are a pain to have to deal with, especially in the wintertime, and the cold takes all the energy out of the batteries. And then you're left with trying to change these things with cold hands. And did I say there were 8 of these batteries that you got to contend with? It comes with a 64 gig SD card. You get literally everything you need. But what happens if you're in the field and your battery goes dead? It's where this other part of the system comes in. This solar panel is designed for the camera itself, and it connects to the bottom of the camera in this protected port on the bottom. And when you put these two together, you can continue to have the sun charging the camera during the day and leave it out almost indefinitely. The star of the show is this. This is the GardePro hub. You can set up to 16 cameras on this hub. You take the hub with the antenna, and this can connect through the router into your own home network. You can put then the cameras up to 3,000 feet away from this hub and connect to your internet system. You can have the photos and videos downloaded to your phone from anywhere in the world. The other amazing thing is GardePro has just changed their service. GardePro has always had the photos where you could download them at no extra cost. To get videos downloaded, there was a subscription. That was a nominal fee. I think it was $5 a month, but you could get that downloaded through the GardePro Link. They're changing all that. And now your videos and your photos will be downloaded for free through the GardePro Link. Okay, you'll want to download the GardePro app on your phone. I use an iPhone, so I'll just go to the App Store, and in the search, type in GardePro app. think this is it. It shows GardePro Mobile. I'm going to click on get that one. And there it is.
Now, technology seems to always want to wrestle with me. I want to show you just how simple this setup really is. Now, I'm out here in my studio area, and this is a mesh unit for my internet system, for my home network. Same way it would work with the main router, which is in the main house. You got the power coming into this mesh unit, and there's an Ethernet port here that you connect devices to. I'm going to connect the hub to the mesh unit, which will connect it to my network. And then hopefully, if it all works right, it'll connect all together. Let's try it out. Here's the Ethernet cable. I'm just going to plug it in here. And that goes in through this splitter for this power over Ethernet adapter. That plugs into the hub just like that. I'll take the power cord and I'll plug it in. And if you look here, there's a red and a blue light. It starts to flash green until it connects to my network, and then it'll go solid. Just like that. Now, the hub is connected through the mesh unit into my home network. With that done, I go to the devices in the app, and I'll click on Hub. It starts searching for a hub, and once it finds it, the hub syncs to the app, and you can see that it's online. Now we connect the camera, same way. Find the camera, it pairs up, and once it's paired up, you can see I've got the camera turned off right now. It's offline. Let's grab the camera and connect it. So here's the camera. I'll just open this up, turn it on, go to the menu, and then come here to this wireless pair, and you hit OK, and it pairs it up to the hub. And that's all there is to it. You hit start, and there it is. It is now connected through the hub into my home network.
Let's set the camera out in the backyard and see what's happening out there. Thanks for staying with me as we went through this. I know it was a little more technical and it was indoors, not as exciting as some, but I am getting out, and in just a couple of days, I'm going to take this system out with me.
It's a system that works just like it says it should, and I didn't have to wrestle it at all. Easy setup.
And in a couple of days, I'm going to take it out to the field. I'm going to test it out there on a trail and see how it all works. I wondered about when you're away from your home network, how does it work then? Well, there's Starlink, and you can connect the hub right up to your Starlink Mini, and you can transmit from anywhere in the world. So let's try that, see how it works. Thank you for staying with me till this point. And I'm putting an affiliate link down in the description of this video. And if you're interested in going and purchasing your own GardePro system, be sure to check out that link. For now, you're going to get a 15% discount, and I get a small commission out of it that helps me continue to keep this channel going. I hope you have a wonderful time. And until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and God bless you.